Everything else is just a toy. Welcome to Exactly Toys and Fun, and we have the new Tonka Mighty Monster RC Steel Dump Truck. How cool is this?
It's the 75th anniversary of Tonka.
This looks Tonka tough, and it's remote control. Tonka RC, super cool. It's 4-wheel drive, and check this out. Yes, it's a motorized dump bed. Awesome! And a movable front plow. Check out the big wheels and the 360 stunts. And it's charged by USB. It's made of steel. And let's give this RC truck a Tonka test. It's Tonka tough, and you can take this RC truck anywhere. Tonka, remember, everything else is just a toy. Available now. Hope you enjoyed the video and do it for us. Instagram, TikTok, you show down below. Do subscribe to Exactly Toys and Fun in 3, 2, 1, bye.